Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy chignon bun hairstyle in less than 2 minutes. To start, we're going to divide the hair in half and I'm going to pop the right hand side into a low ponytail. Now make a small hole behind the elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Grab the ponytail and pull it all the way through that hole, creating a twist. Take the left hand side of the hair and start twisting it tightly towards the head. Then pop your fingers in that hole again like you did before. Grab hold of the new twist and pull it all the way through. Combine it with the ponytail with another clear elastic band. Pull it tight at the edges to help hide that elastic. And I'm just applying some wax spray. This helps control flyaways. And for a bit of security, I'm going to slip a bobby pin through the centre of the twist on the left hand side. And for some more texture and volume, just pinch and pull at the hair at the crown. Now slide a couple of bobby pins through the top of the ponytail to keep it to the right hand side of the head. Then start twisting it towards the head, bringing it over to the left hand side. When you reach the left hand side of the head, add a clear elastic band, but on the last turn only pull it part way through to create a loop. This just makes pinning easier. And I'm going to use a bobby pin to anchor that twist on the right hand side, pushing it as close to the top twist as possible. Then slip a bobby pin through the middle and on the left hand side. And with those ends, I'm just going to tuck them underneath that little chignon we've just made and secure with another pin. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.